Hi friends, this is Aina Rai and you are watching Career Defense School. So this video is for Tamil Nadu people as I will be discussing about Sainik School Amritavatinagar which is in Tamil Nadu. So this video will give you overall detail of the school like the eligibility criteria, vacancies, reservation of seats, exam center, etc. So coming starting from the exam of Sainik School is held on first week of January. So for 21-22 session, the exam will be on 3rd January 21, that is on Sunday. It is an OMR based system which will have multiple choice and will give 4 options. So the medium for class ninth will be English, and for class 6 student it is they can write paper in English, Tamil and Hindi. Coming to the eligibility criteria, for boys of 6th class should be range between 10 to 12 years. That is, their birth of date should be 1 April 2009 to 31st March 2011. This is I've increased the date because I'm telling you about 21-22 session. Okay. For and for class ninth, the age of boys should be 13 to 15 years. That is, their birth date should come between 1st April 2006 to 31st March 2008. So this is the eligibility criteria. That is what your birth date should be. Okay, the very important part is according to your parental income, the government of Tamil Nadu can provide you a scholarship of 50,000 per annum per student. So you can get a scholarship of 50,000 if according based on your parental income that is provided by government of Tamil Nadu to study in Sainik School Amaravathinagar. Okay, for vacancy for class 6, there are 90 seats, and for class ninth, there are only 6 seats. So, it is highly recommended to make your child give competition from a very young age, to start preparing your child for competition for young age, that is from class 2nd, 3rd, 4th, so that while giving the entrance exam 6 he can get easily selected because there is very high competition for class 9. So it is advisable to start preparing your child for competition from a very, very young age. Okay, coming next to reservation of seat. There's 15% seats for SC candidates. For ST, there is 7.5% seats reserved. For home state candidates, that is for Tamil Nadu students, there is 67% quota, and for leftover for all over other state and union territory there is 33% for leftover. And for the ex-servicemen, for the defense person, the seat 25% seat of whole is reserved for defense category. Okay, coming ahead, exam center for class 9 it is Udampur, Pondicherry and Chennai. For class 6 it is Amaravathinagar, Coimbatore, Thanjavur, Chennai, and Pondicherry. So these are the exam centers for the class 6th. Application, the form fees for class for journal category, defense category, and ex-defense category, it is 400 fees, your application form. And for SC and ST, it is 250 only. You can also apply all this at this website. You can go here and click the fill the examination form. The examination for a form for this Sainik school is come out between August, September, and October. Between these 3 months, you can fill their entrance exam. So this was in detail about Sainik School Amritanagar for the Tamil Nadu people, for Tamil Nadu parents who want their child to study in this school. And as I already told you, get prepare your child in very very young age so that he can easily get selected in class 6. Thank you for watching this video, and if you feel, you can share this video among your colleagues, among family, so that they can know about this school more. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day.